Have you ever wondered about the beauty of the Caribbean islands? Well, you're in for a treat. Imagine the vast Atlantic Ocean cradling a sparkling chain of 23 islands. This is the Caribbean, a region renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture. Each island is a world unto itself, teeming with unique traditions, colorful festivals, and the warmest people. The allure of the Caribbean is truly irresistible. Pack your virtual bags as we embark on an island-hopping adventure across the Caribbean. Our first stop is the Bahamas, the epitome of Caribbean charm. This tropical paradise is more than just a haven of pristine white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters. It's a land steeped in rich history, dating back to the Lucayan Indians, followed by Columbus's landing, and later, the era of pirates and privateers. The Bahamas is also a vibrant hub of culture. You can feel the rhythm of Junkanoo, the country's most famous festival, pulsating through the streets. The vibrancy of the costumes, the infectious rhythm of the drums, it's a sensory feast, unlike any other. As for unique experiences, the Bahamas has plenty to offer. Ever thought about swimming with pigs? Yes, you heard it right. At Big Major K, you can do just that. Or how about exploring the blue holes, mysterious underwater sinkholes that are a magnet for adventurous divers from around the world? The Bahamas truly offers more than just beautiful beaches. Next, we land in Jamaica, the heartbeat of the Caribbean. This island nation, known for its vibrant culture and pulsating rhythm, has made waves around the globe. Imagine the infectious beats of reggae music, born right here, echoing through the hills and valleys, and the taste of jerk chicken, a culinary masterpiece tingling on your tongue. Jamaica's landscape is as diverse as its culture. Picture lush green mountains, cascading waterfalls, and picturesque coffee plantations. Among the must-visit attractions, Dunn's River Falls stands out, a stunning cascade that flows directly into the Caribbean Sea. And no visit to Jamaica would be complete without a pilgrimage to the Bob Marley Museum, a tribute to the reggae legend who put this island on the global map. Through its music, food, and breathtaking scenery, Jamaica pulses with an energy that is uniquely its own. Jamaica is a Caribbean gem that pulses with life and rhythm. On to Puerto Rico, where cultures blend and history stands tall. Here, the Spanish colonial past is as vibrant as the cobblestones of Old San Juan. The city's fortresses and pastel-colored buildings are living testaments to a time long gone, yet ever present in the hearts and minds of Puerto Ricans. But Puerto Rico is more than just its history. It's a kaleidoscope of cultures that shine brightly during its lively festivals. The pulsating rhythms of bomba and plena music fill the air, while the vibrant colors of vejigante masks add a touch of mystique and tradition. The island's diverse attractions further paint a picture of its rich culture. From the lush expanse of the El Yunque rainforest, the only tropical rainforest in the United States National Forest System, to the sun-drenched beaches of Isla Verde, every corner of Puerto Rico tells a story of cultural fusion. Puerto Rico is a melting pot of cultures, each contributing to its unique charm. We now sail to the Lesser Antilles, a chain of islands each with its own charm. Imagine a string of pearls, each one unique, yet all shimmering with the same captivating allure. That's the Lesser Antilles for you, each island a gem in its own right, each one beckoning with its unique charms and secrets waiting to be discovered. Let's start with St. Lucia. A land of awe-inspiring beauty, St. Lucia is known for its volcanic landscapes that seem to rise majestically from the azure waters. The Pitons, two towering volcanic spires, dominate the landscape, standing as silent sentinels over the island. But that's not all. St. Lucia is also home to the world's only drive-in volcano, Sulphur Springs, where visitors can take a dip in the warm, mineral-rich waters. Next, we travel to Barbados, a haven for history buffs. This island is steeped in history, from the colonial-era architecture of its capital, Bridgetown, to the centuries-old sugar plantations that dot the landscape. The island's historical sites, such as the Garrison Historic Area and St. Nicholas Abbey, offer a fascinating glimpse into the past. Finally, we dive into the marine-rich waters of the British Virgin Islands. This group of islands is a paradise for underwater explorers, with thriving coral reefs, sunken shipwrecks, and a plethora of marine life. Snorkelers and divers can lose themselves in this underwater wonderland, swimming alongside turtles, rays, and a rainbow of tropical fish. But these are just a few of the islands in the Lesser Antilles. There's also the French charm of Martinique, the butterfly-shaped beauty of Guadeloupe, the secluded beaches of Anguilla, and so much more. Each island is a world unto itself, with its own traditions, flavors, and rhythms. Each one is a hidden gem, waiting to reveal its treasures to those who seek them. And that's the magic of the Lesser Antilles. It's not just about the stunning landscapes or the crystal-clear waters, it's about the unique experiences that each island offers. Each island in the Lesser Antilles offers a unique slice of Caribbean paradise. Next, we visit Cuba, a nation frozen in time yet vibrant with life. Cuba is a place where the past and present coexist in harmony. It's like stepping back into the 1950s, with vintage cars lining the streets and colorful colonial-era buildings that have witnessed centuries of history. Yet this charming island is far from being stuck in the past. It pulses with the rhythm of life, with the streets of Havana humming with music and laughter. The old town of Havana, or Habana Vieja, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, teeming with stunning architecture and rich history. A little further afield, you'll find Varadero's pristine beaches. These stunning stretches of white sand and crystal-clear waters are a paradise for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. Cuba is more than just a destination. It's a journey through time. It's a place where history is not just remembered, but lived. Cuba is a time capsule, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. Our final stop is the Dominican Republic, a land of diversity and beauty. Here, nature weaves a vibrant tapestry of landscapes, from the towering heights of the Pico Duarte mountain range to the golden sands of Punta Cana's beaches. Each vista tells a unique tale, each terrain a different chapter in the country's rich tapestry. The Dominican Republic's history is as varied as its landscapes. From the time of the Taino people, through the age of Columbus, to its modern-day status as a beloved destination, its story is one of resilience, revolution, and rebirth. And let's not forget the culture. The Dominican Republic thrums with life and rhythm. The merengue and bachata music, the spirited carnival celebrations, the tantalizing flavors of its cuisine, all embody the vibrant soul of this Caribbean nation. The Dominican Republic is a Caribbean treasure, offering a taste of everything the region has to offer. Our island-hopping journey ends here, but the Caribbean's allure is everlasting. So, where have we been? Let's rewind for a moment. We started our journey in the Bahamas, where the turquoise waters and coral reefs are a dream come true for any diver or snorkeler. We then hopped over to Cuba, a place where time seems to stand still, and every street corner is brimming with history and culture. We've tasted the spicy jerk chicken in Jamaica, danced to the rhythmic beats of reggae, and been mesmerized by the bioluminescent bays in Puerto Rico. We've marveled at the rugged beauty of the hiking trails in Dominica and the stunning beaches of Aruba, known for their crystal-clear waters and pristine white sands. In Trinidad and Tobago, we've been captivated by the vibrant annual carnival, where the streets come alive with music, dance, and a kaleidoscope of colors. We've also wandered through the charming colonial architecture of Santo Domingo in the Dominican Republic, the oldest city in the New World. And let's not forget the smaller islands, each with their distinct charm and character. From the pink sand beaches of Bermuda to the dramatic volcanic landscapes of St. Lucia, the Caribbean truly is a chain of hidden gems. We've even ventured to the lesser-known islands like Grenada, known as the Spice Isle for its nutmeg and mace production, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, where the Tobago Cays offer some of the best snorkeling spots in the region. Each island, each beach, each culture has its own unique story to tell, its own rhythm to dance to. And we've just touched the surface. The Caribbean is not just a destination, it's a way of life, a feeling, an experience. It's a paradise that invites you to leave your worries behind, to dive into its turquoise waters, to bask in its golden sunsets, to taste its rich flavors, to feel its vibrant rhythms. From the Bahamas to the Dominican Republic, the Caribbean is a paradise waiting for you to explore. So when are you booking your ticket?